You've probably been told you need massive amounts of protein to build muscle or stay healthy. Maybe you've seen fitness influencers guzzling down protein shakes like water, or read conflicting advice online that left you completely confused. One article says you need 50 grams a day, another says 200. Who's right? And more importantly, how much protein do you actually need? Today, we're diving deep into the science to uncover the truth. And trust us, it's not what you've been led to believe. Forget everything you thought you knew about protein. Because the shocking truth is, most people are either dramatically overestimating or dangerously underestimating their daily needs. The multi-billion-dollar supplement industry isn't helping either. It thrives on confusion, marketing protein powders, bars, and pills as absolute essentials. But what does actual peer-reviewed science say? Are you eating too much protein, too little, or just wasting your money and gains? Protein is essential for life. Every cell in your body contains protein. It's required for muscle repair, hormone regulation, immune function, and even transporting oxygen in your blood. So yes, it's crucial. But how much is enough? According to the Recommended Dietary Allowance, RDA, the average adult needs about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. That means if you weigh 70 kilograms, that's around 56 grams of protein daily. Sounds low, right? Especially compared to the 1 gram per pound rule you hear in fitness circles. But here's where it gets interesting. That RDA is just the minimum to avoid deficiency, not necessarily optimal for performance or muscle gain. Newer research shows that active individuals, especially those doing resistance training, benefit more from 1.2 to 2.0 grams per kilogram of body weight. For someone lifting regularly, 84 to 140 grams per day might be the sweet spot. Not 200, not 300 like some online gurus claim. Here's the kicker. More protein doesn't mean more muscle. There's a limit to how much your body can use at once. Studies show that consuming more than 25–30 grams of protein per meal doesn't necessarily lead to more muscle synthesis. It just gets broken down and excreted, sometimes placing extra load on your kidneys if you already have underlying issues. And let's talk about timing. Many believe you need protein immediately after a workout or you'll lose your gains. While the post-workout window is important, the total protein intake over 24 hours matters far more. Research supports spreading your intake evenly, around 20 to 30 grams per meal across 3 to 4 meals to optimize muscle protein synthesis. Now, what about age? Older adults actually need more protein, not less. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing protein. The recommendation jumps to 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram to help prevent muscle loss, a condition known as sarcopenia. If you're over 50, that's a number you shouldn't ignore. And here's a surprising twist. Vegetarians and vegans can meet their protein needs just fine. It just takes planning. Combining legumes, grains, tofu, nuts, and seeds can provide all the essential amino acids your body needs. The myth that plant-based eaters can't build muscle is long outdated. In fact, elite athletes like bodybuilder Nimai Delgado and Olympic weightlifter Kendrick Ferris thrive on plant-based diets. Finally, let's bust one of the biggest myths. Protein doesn't cause kidney damage in healthy individuals. This fear stems from research on patients with kidney disease, but large-scale studies have shown that higher protein intakes are safe for healthy people. The real risk is dehydration, so if you're consuming more protein, make sure you're drinking plenty of water. So what's the real takeaway here? Protein is vital, but more isn't always better. The magic number depends on you, your weight, your goals, your activity level, and your age. Science shows us there's no one-size-fits-all. Forget the hype. Stop chasing extreme numbers. Focus on balance, whole food sources, and consistency over time. Because when it comes to building a strong, healthy body, smart nutrition always beats marketing myths. If you found this eye-opening, be sure to like, comment, and share your daily protein target in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health content coming your way.